ever found yourself wanting to know more? What is a topic that you will engage in today? We here at CMS value inquisitive minds. If you're impulsive and persistent, we bring to you Entrevue exclusively for the students of CMS College, an initiative to bolster your curiosity where you can share your thoughts openly and explore the ideas with the head of the institution. Entrevue provides you with a platform to connect with the principal, Dr. Verghese C. Joshua. Grab this opportunity by registering on this link using your student login credentials. Follow the instructions and enroll to transform your curiosity into competence. Entrevue, where interactions open the doors to new insights.